TRob is our new heavy hauler. Today's mission is to haul water to a soil building project on the lab. We have hydrants there, but our pressure pump died and we're waiting for the new one to arrive. Temps have been regularly breaching 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which can harm our soil building efforts, so we're choosing to irrigate. This rig has proved to be far better than our previous heavy hauler. Connecting a trailer is about 10 times easier. Today, we're hooking up our beaver tail trailer with 2 water tanks. TRob hauls this like it's nothing. Our old heavy hauler had a gasoline pump on the back that could run fire hoses. It created a giant cloud of stink and noise. With TRob, we use an electric pump. Quiet and clean. This project started with dirt on logs. Our tests show that the soil is improving so dramatically that we might not need to add water at all next year.